So it's leaking air. We're gonna I use soapy water with bubbles to figure out where the hole was. Let's see right there. So we're using this, put on the hook. You can use this to open the hole more. So this makes the hole bigger so we can fit it in there. Use eye protection because it's air kind of be coming out. It's going to shoot it right back up at your eyes because you're going to be looking at it. Alright, finally got the right tool. See how this has an opening in it? So when you pull it out, it's going to slide up in here. This part, once you put it in, put this in between there. Put that in there like a needle. Put it in halfway, roughly halfway. See? So once you push it in, it's gonna go like this all the way. And then once you pull it out, it's gonna get stuck like that, and this is gonna be on the inside. Alright, here we go. Here's the hole. Okay. Twisting in. Okay. Okay, see how that slid in there? Okay. Don't put it in too much because if this goes all the way in, then you might have a problem. I tend to do it like this. Okay, see that's enough? I'm gonna pull it out. It's gonna slide through a little hole. And it's gonna stay in there, see? It slid through that, it slid through that. And that's how you plug up, this is a lawnmower tire. You can do a car tire, same way. You can buy these at AutoZone, Walmart. I'll show you the brand that I have, okay? Then you just put air in it, cut this piece off. You should be good to go. Go get a razor. Alright, Hyper Tough 7-piece tire plug kit. It'll come with this. Here's the instructions. See? With this, I like the I don't like the black ones as much. They're not as sticky. I always buy these, the ones that look like coppery bronze. Get my razor. Since it's a lawnmower, you don't really have to cut it off. You won't really feel the bump, but I'll just give you an example. Like if there was a car, you know, it'll wear off eventually with driving on it. It'll become one. Probably go in one of the cracks or something. Set that on right there. Always make sure you have a nice new blade. Watch your fingers. Don't cut too close to your fingers. See? Like I said, I'll leave this one on. It's not gonna affect me. And just air up the tire. It should be good. I hope this helps somebody out there who has never done it and has paid for plugs and patches. They're gonna do the same thing. They're gonna do the same thing. They're gonna charge you $12, and those kits are probably $8. Y'all Y'all have a good day.